Hey, what's up, guys? Coach Trevor here. We're going to go over the importance of having a customized cycle or a personalized cycle, right? When you are going to figure out what you're going to put in your body for the next, say, 12, 16 weeks, or you're going to get ready for a show and you're going and doing your research, you're going to find the same generic cycles, run your testosterone at this dose, androgen at this dose, or we're going to we're going to add this at this many weeks in, right? Well, that's fine and dandy. I mean, you take any hormone, you're going to get a result. And for the most part, you go look at these profiles on hormones, and they typically do what they say they're going to do. What's the importance of a personalized protocol versus just finding what works for most people? It's the same thing that we find with diets. It's the same thing we find with training protocols. Not everybody responds the same way. When you have high cholesterol, you have bad lipids, your liver stress, why on earth would you take a Winstrol tablet? But no one tells you this either. So having a customized cycle where you know, okay, my lipids are better, my cholesterol, my liver's like this, somebody can give you, or even yourself personalizing can tell you, okay, these hormones right now are going to actually be worse off for you. Causing liver stress affects the absorption of nutrients. You're going to have a problem with your show. You're going to have liver damage. You know, you have kidney problems. You have high blood pressure. Why are you going to take Anadrol? Why are you going to take these drugs that are going to further cause problems? But you didn't know about this because it wasn't personalized. You know, you're just going to see hormones saying this X does Y. You're going to get this effects if you take this hormone, and in this regard, you're just going to want to take it. Now, that's, like I said, you're going to get so far with it, but if you don't know what problems you're having on a hormonal basis, on your lab work, then you're screwed. You're screwed in the end. This is why we have so many problems in bodybuilding and so many problems when it comes to coaching, right? We need to know your body. We need to know what your customized lab work is going to be so we can do something like this for a cycle, because longevity is key and maximum results is just as important together. Now, without this, you'll never get there. So the importance, yes, of a personalized cycle is just as important as training, personalized training program, a personalized diet, something that somebody can work with you daily, or work with, you know, some foods maybe don't digest or assimilate for you, like gluten doesn't work for you. So why am I going to tell you to have all this bread in your diet? That's what I'm getting at when it comes to a personalized cycle.